All right, so if you want to upgrade your ElevenLabs subscription and actually use the premium tools properly, yeah, this video will walk you through everything step by step. First, quick idea. Upgrading unlocks better voices, more credits, voice cloning, and commercial usage. Start by logging into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're inside, click your profile icon and go to the subscription section. This is where you manage your plan. Now choose a plan that fits your needs. You'll see options like Starter, Creator, and Pro, depending on how much content you create. Click Upgrade or Change Plan, then confirm your payment. Your new plan will activate immediately. After upgrading, check your available credits. You'll now have more credits, and unused ones can roll over to the next month. Next, go to the voice library and select premium voices. These voices sound much more natural and professional compared to the free ones. You can also use voice cloning, which is only available on paid plans. Just upload your audio and create your custom voice. Then paste your script and generate high-quality voiceovers. Once your audio is ready, download it and use it for videos, ads, or any content. One important thing to remember: if you subscribed through a mobile app, you'll need to manage your subscription through the App Store. Otherwise, you can manage everything directly from the website. So yeah, upgrading ElevenLabs is simple. And once you unlock premium tools, your workflow becomes much more powerful. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI tutorials coming soon.